Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Auth0 for mobile authentication and MFA detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Auth0 dashboard at auth0.com. Log into your Auth0 account or sign up if you don't have one. Once logged in, select the Applications section in the sidebar. Click on Create Application to start a new project. Choose a name for your application and select the native application type. After creating your application, note the client ID and client secret provided. Next, head to the API section in the sidebar. Click on Create API to set up a new API. Enter a name for the API and provide an identifier, such as a unique URL. Set the signing algorithm to RS256 for enhanced security. Now, let's configure mobile authentication. In the sidebar, go to the Authentication section. Select social and enable providers like Google or Facebook if desired. For email and password login, go to the Database section. Create a new database connection and configure settings as needed. Now, proceed to enable multi-factor authentication. In the dashboard, click on Security and then select Multi-Factor Authentication. Toggle on the option to enable MFA. Choose the factors that you want to support, like SMS or Authenticator apps. Save your changes and test the MFA configuration. Next, integrate Auth0 into your mobile app. Install the Auth0 SDK for your mobile platform, like iOS or Android. Follow the specific integration steps in the SDK documentation. In your app, configure the SDK with your client ID and domain from Auth0. Implement the authentication method, allowing users to log in. After successful authentication, implement the MFA process. Prompt users for the second factor after their initial login. Test the whole authentication flow to ensure it works seamlessly. Finally, review the analytics and logs in the Auth0 dashboard to monitor user activity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.